Yo, yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice,
hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. This is your first time here. I'm Kanitha and welcome. And if you are a return viewer, you already know what it is. Thank you and welcome back. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up. Guys, I know you are here to see the hairstyle, this hairstyle, so we're gonna get right into the video. So I'm going to show you 3 ways how to achieve this hairstyle, just in case if you're not good at gripping the hair. So for the hair that I am using, I think this is my second time buying from them. I got this from Amazon and it comes in a bag. Inside the bag, I think it has probably little packs like this. About there's 7 little packs like this. So you do get a lot of hair. As you guys know, I always wash my hair before I put it in my hair, do my hair with it, because if I don't, it will my hair will start falling. I will have a lot of sheddings because I don't know, it's how they process their hair, maybe a lot of chemicals and things like that, and I will start itching. I don't like that, so I always wash my hair. So I'm not going to use all the 7 packs, so I don't want my hair to be heavy, anything like that. This is the 4th one, and as you can see, I already started the back. Sorry guys, you're not gonna see how I started the back. I have a lot of videos on my channel doing hair, how to start the back of your hair. This is the first part one. There's only 1, 2, 3, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you go up, you just increase it because you just. So guys, I did part my hair into sections of camera, as I mentioned, just to make the process easier for me. And you can follow the same process if you want to. I'm using a crochet needle. I'm using a crochet needle, Rattail comb, a brush, something to decorate your hair, and gel, rubber bands as well. Use any kind of gel that you want, but make sure it's a healthy gel. So like I said, I put my hair into sections, and how I wanted the hairstyle, the twist to fall, how I wanted my parts to be. And when you do that, you pre-part your hair. Let me tell you, the process is much shorter and it's much easier for you. As a matter of fact, guys, I will not be showing you only 3 ways how to do this hairstyle, but 4 ways. And that's for some of you who may not know how to braid properly or to grip the hair properly. So I'm just showing you some easy ways on how to do this hairstyle, or even braids as well. So you can comb the hair just a little bit, just to get a little volume. So this is the first style. As you can see, I used the rubber band without the crochet needle. So I'm holding it in 2 sections, guys, 2. So I'm letting my hair, that's my actual hair, to be the 3rd part of the braiding. Okay, so once I done braiding and get like a real tight root, I will actually combine my own hair separately, split it into with the braiding hair. I hope that makes sense. So what do you guys think of the first way of doing that? This way, especially, is for someone who do not like their hair being tight. You cannot handle tight hair. This is actually for you. Okay, so for me, I don't like tight hair. It would work. And I don't like leaving fake hair in my hair for a long time. It will also work, but I will show you guys the second way. But guys, look how I am parting the hair, like the fourth layer of the hair. I am not parting it directly on the previous line. So I'm making sure, because I want that look, and then it doesn't look also like, if you don't put a lot of hair, it doesn't look thin, it looks full. So I am parting the hair to be on top of the braid beneath it, but not directly with the line. Do you get it? I know. Let me know in the comment section below if you don't understand what I'm trying to say. But I know you guys get me. With the second way, I actually use the crochet needle. And as you can see, it will be a little bit tighter than the first one, but it's practically the same method, the same steps. But you see how I'm twisting the hair as I am twisting the hair. Like I am turning the hair so it could be tight as I am twisting the hair as well. So it's basically the same process, but the fake hair goes underneath the rubber band method, which is give you a little bit more grip. It's a little bit tighter than it, so I feel like this is not too tight, but it's actually a good tight level for me when it comes to my hair. So the third one I'm showing you guys right now, you actually braid the hair. Let's say if you don't have rubber bands, you don't have you don't know how to like make the hair tight without, or you're not good at braiding, then you can actually braid your hair not so good. This actually, it will work for you. Some people don't like rubber bands. Some people don't like how the feeling of having rubber bands in their hair, or how tight it's in their hair. So this is actually good for you. It's almost the same method, but without the rubber band. So you braid your hair a little bit, and then you put it underneath it. Actually, this one is a good healthy method, because you don't have anything that will actually put extra tension on your hair, just the braiding hair. And even with the braiding hair, there's no tension. So it's actually a healthy way, and it's also better than the first one, I would say. Would you agree or disagree? Without the extra tension, which means that it's not going to cause a lot of fallout, a lot of breakage for your hair. Also, it looks way better, like it blends really well as if the hair is coming out of your scalp. So this is the fourth method. So this one, actually, if you really not good with braiding, this is not for you. Ooh, this is not for you. Just go with the rubber band method, or the crochet method, or the braiding method. This one, you really have to know how to grip the hair in order for you to make it tight, and then for you to braid the hair and twist the hair. So I start with braiding, and then I transition to twisting. I like that one because also it looks like it's coming out of your scalp, but that wasn't really that's not what I was going for. I was going for, I actually have some type of extension in my hair, so I am going with the second style, the second way of doing it. So guys, continue to watch, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share. I would really appreciate that. Also guys, when you get to the top of your hair, right, so make sure that because as you can see, I part it in two with 4 glue sections. So when you get to the back of your hair, make sure that you take a piece from the last part and combine it to the second part, so it can look like the hair is going in a circle, not actually you part the hair. I don't know if I'm making sense. You see how like right in the back it looks like it's a circle, so I'm taking a piece of that hair from the first part and combine it to the second part. That makes sense? So it can look like it's a circle. It's not like the back of your hair is like green. That's a new word for you guys in Creole. You see that, guys? It's a circle, not like it looks like a square. That's what I mean by that. Hi guys, so now that you have seen how I achieved these twists, I hope you like them and I hope you will try them. So don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed if you're a returning subscriber. Also check your notifications so whenever I post a video you could be notified. But this is it for this video guys. All the information for the hair and all the things that you need will be down below in the description bar. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. As for me, I'm about to take a swim, but for you, continue to do what you were doing, and that is watching all my videos. My vlogs video, I have playlists for all hair, house decor and DIYs, and travel vlogs. So stay where you're at and continue to watch my videos. But like I always say, have a joyful, a peaceful, a wonderful, and a blessed day. I will see you in the next video while I go take a swim. Bye now.